What's up, guys? Matco Michael just pulled up, so let's go take a look and see what Michael's got on the truck today. You guys, come along.
She said, I really like these Matco socks. I said, well, where's mine?
Should be right there.
Sock it to me. How many of them you sold already?
Well, I only had 3, and I sold out of them and got that one in. Waiting on some more. I'm alright with that.
Save that for Bill since he likes a high vis. Powder coated, that's nice. So you finally got the gut kit in for Wally's.
Yeah, this is like take what, 3? That's alright. We'll get it.
Wally said
this week.
he could have used it.
Well, it's my fault, and it's not my. Well, no, it is my fault. I misplaced the first one. Then the second one that come in, I don't know what happened there, but it had the wrong thing. It was just a regular 3/8. That wasn't gonna work. So I'll find that other one someday and be surprised wherever I stuck it. Yeah, I have a 3/8 ratchet that I put. Somebody told me they wanted it, and I put it back for them, and I have yet to find it.
That sounds like me.
Yeah, I took it off the truck, and I don't know what I did with it from that point. So I gave him another one, but I have no clue where that one's at.
Well, 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 what you got new today?
Let me look around. There's, well, I've got let's see.
He's busy.
He's busy. He's operating on your ratchet.
Yeah, I'm actually doing it this time. Air hammer in. So we got the colors. These come in green, orange, and maroon, which I know you're not a fan of maroon, but one thing they added was the grip here, so it rotates. And it's just basically keep your hand from getting, you know how any of the air tools that let the air go by get super cold, so that's the new. It feels good in your hand. It's not too heavy, so that's pretty cool.
You got a Matco Tools coloring book.
Yeah, we got those. Those are for the kids, right?
Mug.
Pretty sure that it says on there that you can erase it and do it over and over again, so
Wow.
if your kid has a meltdown like mine does, if something ain't right,
Something to keep Wally busy.
Start over.
I'm gonna have a ratchet for that.
There it is, Wally. Post op.
And all its glory.
No, not yet. We gotta take that lock out, remember?
Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Post op. Custom ratchet. For pre-op.
Yeah. Watch out how y'all talk about Wally. You'll have people trying to find his address. Them lined up waiting to come see him.
Oh, Wally.
You know, it's sad as clean as I am today. Most of the time I identify as greasy.
See, we're not the only ones that pick on you. You picked on yourself.
That is true, Wally. Today's the first day you don't leave fingerprints on new tools.
That means I can finger them all, huh?
See ya.
You know, Wally,
My mind went in a dark place just then.
a lot of people would be saying we're ruining this ratchet right here. What do you say to that?
Well,
You say we're making it better.
you daggum right.
Everybody, most of everybody else says we're ruining it.
Dadgum is one word, ain't it?
Yep.
D-A-G-G-U-M. Dadgum.
Daggum. Daggum ratchet.
Alright. Did I say that or did you say that?
Wally says that
Okay.
every day. About 700 times a day. Daggum. Daggum.
There you go.
Daggum Wally.
How many definitions does it have?
13.
It means a lot of different stuff.
What is it you say whenever you want something to work?
Yeah.
Beep, 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 beep.
Tell everybody what that is. If we say that cuss word the first time, it fixes it, right?
Yeah, every single time.
It's a
What
long
is it,
one.
Clay?
It's a long one. I can't remember. I have to wait till I get mad. Something breaks.
Here, tighten it as tight as you want it. Some people want it not to move at all. Some people
I'll
want
adjust that whenever it comes time.
Show everybody your post-op.
Mm-hmm.
Lockable.
No, non-lock.
Flex head locking, unlocking, unlockable.
Tight places to that bad boy. Mm-hmm.
Oh, Wally.
This thing's gonna spoil me.
There'll never be another one like you, Wally.
I hope not.
How many versions of these lights do y'all have, Michael?
we just keep making it better, man.
Man.
That one wasn't bright enough for some people. Then this one was bright enough, but it didn't have a magnet. And then this one here that I've got now, it's 500 lumens with a magnet and rechargeable. So.
Well, I'm gonna buy that one. So open it up and you show that one. That's a pretty good light. Cause I love this one.
Yeah, that one was great. It had the only downfall to that was no magnet, which you could get by it by clipping it on your shirt. But then the batteries, which we talked about, they lasted a long time. But that's great and all, but it's better just have a rechargeable.
Right.
So this one has a magnet here. I mean, as you can see it. I say you can see how stout it is.
Yeah, we can see.
So this one actually dims down. You know, if it's too bright, you can just hold it and it'll actually it brightened up first and then started dimming, but you can see it's going to dim down. So
I don't think a line will ever be too bright. Like you would
Well-
have to wear a welded helmet to turn it on to have to say it's too bright.
well, I'm talking about when you're looking at something. I don't even know how to describe it. You're looking at something, you're getting that glare back.
Yeah.
Surely you've had that happen before.
We leave everything. Every light we got runs on hide on it, man.
Exactly.
Okay, well.
Like if it burn a hole in the carpet if you leave it laying on, we still leave it on high.
Like if you gotta have it on dim, you might as well not even have one.
Well,
We like it bright.
What's the purpose?
We like it bright. Well, it's kind of like Wally's locking, unlocking,
Flex
unlockable flex head.
He needs help.
So many people find this annoying.
What?
What?
Yep.
Is it annoying yet? So continue.
Don't let him know it bothers you. He'll keep. If you
Is
do,
blood
keep
warranted?
it up.
Blood splatter warranty?
well. I don't know. We'll see.
Wally be like, I'm gonna sit the hit that with it no more.
So I want to show this kit off. This is the kit that we teased last week that you said that you wanted.
Yep. Is that the one? It's on sale this week. Right?
It's on sale, yes. In my district. I don't know if it is in theirs or not, but we always got to
Let me
remember
get the part number because somebody's gonna want it.
MD146.
D146.
So it's got several different types of them. It's got the blade style, pin style, the female style, so any and all pretty much.
That's a nice kit.
Got it to where they can plug directly into your meter, so that makes it even better. Yeah, I like the case on this thing, man.
I like the one that like Tommy and Josh had. It's got like a 500 piece set. Awesome. Cost like $500 something too.
And you can stay on that electrical all day long if you want to.
That's nice.
Let's see what else we got.
Well, I want that one too. For real. And there's the part number on the rechargeable pocket light.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't know if those are. Let me see if that's got a big sticker on it.
Which one is that?
That's the,
So you can hold it.
well, those are actually torque. Yeah, it says these are new, so we'll open them up since they're new.
Stem handle
What you did, honors?
limiting.
Why, you don't like to open
extension
stuff?
Mm-hmm.
It's not, I don't think it's very hard.
You're trying to cut me.
Hey man, we gotta try out the blood warranty, remember?
Do I need to get off the truck?
No?
Spin that ratchet. We'll try that air hammer bit out on you too.
Yeah,
You got the new air hammer too, don't you?
yeah, the new air hammer's right there, the colored air hammer.
With the collar,
Yeah, the collar that spins to keep
so you
you.
can hold it. That's a nice dude right there.
Yeah, I like the colors on there. Alrighty. So it looks like they have a 75 foot-pound, 80 foot-pound, 90 and 95, 100 and 105, 120, 125, 140. Huh. So basically, it's just an extension that's got a built-in torque on it. That's pretty cool.
That is cool.
Let me get something where I can read on it so it sounds like I know what I'm talking about.
So they sell those individually or just in the kit only?
It's got a part number, so they should sell them individually too.
Those are nice. Really nice.
So throwing on lug nuts. Here you go. You want them at 100 foot-pounds?
Okay. That's nice. You don't have to worry about two ugly duggers, do you?
No,
Give them 15.
Just let her cheap.
just torque limiting extensions, right? So that's pretty cool. You know, they had the torque sticks,
Yep.
and some people liked those and some people didn't.
Torque reduction.
So this one here's 90 foot-pounds.
According to everybody that ever watched
Nice.
any of our torque videos where we tested the impact, I got this put an adapter on there, ain't it, Wally?
That's
Goes
all.
from 600 foot-pounds to 100 automatically
time.
with one adapter on there.
400 pound feet reduction.
So 140 foot-pounds there, down to 75. What would 75 be on? Small cars?
Prius.
No, Prius are 90, ain't it?
I don't know.
I don't remember. I feel like
That was a joke. But
I should know that. No, I shouldn't.
is that your favorite car?
It made me a lot of money because of the hybrids. I mean, is that not important?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Most people couldn't. Most people couldn't diag the hybrid codes, so we'd get those, and I was one of the ones hybrid certified. So, and that was always fun because it was never good news and it was never cheap. So everybody was always mad at you.
Yep.
No matter
believe that.
no matter what your answer was, they was always mad.
That's kind of like working in a big truck shop, ain't it, Wally? Nothing's cheap,
Nothing's cheap.
and everybody always gets money.
Nothing's easy either.
Well, that ought to be under warranty. So your truck's got 800,000 miles. Yeah, but it's a lot of money for this truck. Them injectors ought to last longer than that.
Yeah.
This truck should have a 1,000,000-mile warranty.
I mean, when you tell somebody it needs a battery and they're like, okay, put one in it, and you have to say, oh, hold on just a second. This battery costs a lot. And they're like, how much you talking about? 100, 102, 200? No, we're talking about 2-3 grand. What? They don't get too happy. Which, I mean,
So you realize it's a hybrid, right?
well,
They should have read the fine print when they bought the car, instead of just signing the paperwork. And
I felt like that too for a while, and then I was like, well, maybe the salesman didn't explain it to them. But you can't sell something saying, hey, it might need a $3,000 battery sometime or another.
That's true.
Look at the hydrocarbon cars, though, that Toyota come out. Well, I don't know if Toyota's the only one that had them, but imagine how expensive they are to fix, and everything's almost plastic on them things. They say the exhaust it runs so cool that you can touch the exhaust at any point. But now you have to sign all kind of contracts and waivers and everything like that to even buy one of those. You have to live close to a station and all that. You got to sign an agreement saying that you won't try to sell it and all that good stuff.
Peterbill's pretty much all plastic now.
We better watch it. We're gonna get in trouble. We're gonna say
That's
something.
true.
Somebody's not gonna like what we said.
We are.
In trouble.
It is what it is.
So
And I'm a Peterbilt fan. I mean, I got a Peterbilt tattooed on me, but, you know, they still got a lot of plastic on.
what else you see new? You picked that one out pretty quick. Well, we did the new air hammer. We'll look at it. Well, you done looked at it. I don't know. Here's I have a lot of customers, and I didn't even realize it until I started looking deep in the book. If you're wanting 8 through 22 with the 24, there's that set with that part number. I've had a lot that's wanted that complete set, and I found the part number.
All right, guys. Well, Bill's getting a handful of socks. And Wally's got the customized locking, unlocking, unlockable
Post-op ratchet.
post-op.
Engraved
4-inch
post-op
body
on
with
it.
3/8 head. Ratchet.
Why engrave that in there?
And I'm gonna get one of the new lights and the test lead kit.
That way, whenever I say, if you don't mind, grab post-op, they'll know exactly what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Like always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button right down there. And it's time for us to get back to work. And you guys have a great one. See ya. See, I could fan y'all.
Yeah.
Yes. Nobody's ever
Well, you
done that
were.
before.
Well, Matco's got a ratchet one too, but you're doing little bitty motion to where if you put in, a socket.
It's all the behind the scenes you'll ever need, huh?